This is the Redux News. The Virginia governor declares state of emergency ahead of gun rights rally. Fearing potential violence, Virginia Governor Ralph Northam is declaring a state of emergency and is banning firearms and other weapons on the Capitol grounds in Richmond, ahead of gun rights demonstrations planned for next week. Quote, "We have received credible intelligence from our law enforcement agencies that there are groups with malicious plans for the rally that is planned for Monday," end quote, Northam said during a press conference Wednesday afternoon. Gun rights supporters are preparing to converge on Richmond for a lobbying day and a rally Monday morning. They're opposed to efforts by Virginia Democrats, who've just taken over control of the Virginia legislation following the November 2019 elections, to pass a slate of gun control bills backed by Northam. Virginia has been in the hands of Republicans for a quarter century prior. Democrats won both houses of the General Assembly in November, taking full control of the state government in part based on their promises to enact gun control measures. Among the issues under consideration, background checks for gun owners, a red flag law that would allow authorities to take firearms away from people deemed dangerous to themselves or others, and the potential to limit gun purchases to one per month. The proposals have sparked a backlash across the state. Dozens of municipalities have declared themselves Second Amendment sanctuaries, where local officials have vowed to oppose any new gun control measures. And advocates who oppose gun restrictions are organizing bus rides to the state capitol on Monday. The emergency declared, which bans all weapons including firearms, will extend from Friday to Tuesday. The rally in question, dubbed Lobby Day, is being organized for Martin Luther King Jr. Day by the anti-gun control Virginia Citizens Defense League in response to new legislation introduced by state Democrats. It is expected to draw thousands of armed demonstrators, some from out of state. Organizers have said they hope to hold a peaceful event. But Northam said officials have heard reports of, quote, out-of-state militia groups and hate groups planning to travel from across the country to disrupt our democratic process with acts of violence. He also said they are coming to intimidate and to cause harm. Northam is raising concerns about a reprise of the deadly violence surrounding the white supremacist march in Charlottesville in August 2017. He said state intelligence analysis have identified threats and rhetoric online that mirror the chatter they were picking up around that time. At a press conference, Northam made it clear that he wasn't accusing the organizers of planning violence themselves, saying, quote, "I believe them when they say this is a peaceful event. That's what democracy is. Unfortunately, they have unleashed something much larger, something they may not be able to control," end quote. According to Vice, 5,000 people have said on the event's Facebook page that they plan to attend, and some have commented that they don't plan to abide by the weapons ban. Organizers have told the state to expect as many as 100,000 people, and their website says that 60 buses have been arranged to provide transportation. Armed militia groups are also reportedly planning to attend, including anti-government groups like the Oath Keepers and 3%ers. As part of the state emergency, Northam also ordered a unified command of both local and state police as well as emergency services. In 2017, an independent review faulted police for a lack of coordination and planning before and during the Unite the Rally in Charlottesville, some 70 miles from Richmond. The breakdown in communication and delays in declaring the rally an all-lawful assembly led to a failure to protect the public, and the murder of counter-protester Heather Heyer.